Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix blank YouTube home page. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing YouTube home page blank, not showing recommended videos or no watch history, then I will show you a simple method to do this blank home page setting. First of all, you just need to open the YouTube and sign in your account. After signing in, you can see here in left side 3 horizontal lines. Just click on this and click on history. After that, in right side you can see here manage all history. Just tap on this. After that, you can see here saving your YouTube history. Just tap on this. You can see here it is turned on. If it is turned off, you just need to turn on from here, and you have to make sure that you have checkmark this option, include the YouTube videos you watch, and include search on the YouTube. Now to make sure, you have to checkmark this both option and close this. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix blank YouTube home page. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.